Welcome to Radiopedia's short guide on creating clear and organized case titles. Let's dive in. Each case should have a case title that is clear and concise. This makes our educational case library easy to navigate. To start, label your case title with just the diagnosis. So instead of interesting case of a patient with hepatoma, keep it simple with just hepatoma. When creating your case title, remember to use sentence case. For example, your case title should be myeloma with extraskeletal involvement and not myeloma with extraskeletal involvement, where every word is capitalized. Always use the full name of the condition, not abbreviations, as it helps keep things clear for everyone. Like this. However, if there are times that the abbreviation is better known, like DNET for dysembryoplastic neuroepithelial tumor, then go ahead and use it. In highlighting a specific point, use a hyphen to separate it from the diagnosis, like this, myeloma occult. If your case includes specific technical detail, add it in brackets. Keep it simple and singular. For example, liver adenoma Hughes or base of skull illustration. And there you have it. Clear, concise, and easy to find case titles. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing your case on our edit list soon.